Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about handwritten text on your device and how you can increase or decrease the size of that. Well, when you start or when you want to do that, you need to choose the proper tool or app for that. Chances are it's going to be the Notes app, but it might as well be something different. So in case you want to increase the size as you write, obviously just write larger letters, but in case you want to make sure that it stands out a bit more, you can click on the pen tool and make sure that the size is thicker. So this means that the text is going to be like larger. Perhaps you want to do even that, so the text is going to be even larger, right? So it depends on what exactly you want to achieve with this. However, as I say, it all depends on the actual application, right? Because, the section for the written text in the Notes app is like dedicated right here, and you cannot really change it or customize it the way that you want. However, if you use some sort of app like the GoodNotes, which can be easily downloaded from the App Store, right? So once you do have the GoodNotes and start a new, let's say a new notebook, and you're gonna create a new one like this, what you can do in this situation is to start writing your text or whatever. You can just do that. But then what you can do is just to grab the lasso tool, which then allows you to just select it and move this around, which even allows you to like duplicate it and change stuff around this. And I'm pretty sure that it should allow you to let you zoom in on it. So yeah, essentially in the GoodNotes, you can just select it, tap on this, and just click on this little button right here, which allows you to just increase the size of the text, which quite frankly is not available in the Apple Notes app. So no matter what you're trying to do, you just cannot really change it the way that you can do it in here. That's why a lot of iPad users upgrade their note-taking experience by getting a GoodNotes or Notability or some other note-taking app. So I'm just giving you a heads up in case you want to do it in the Notes app. You cannot really do much other than just write bigger letters and use thicker pen size to increase the text. So that's just how it is. But yeah, hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what exactly you want to know or what are some other questions you might have. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.